His problem isn't a paper trail. His problem is a demonstrated, incredibly remarkable lack of competence. Look, the two lines of attack on him up until today were, one, ideological, that the content of what he's been saying over the years is out of the mainstream, way out there to the left of Obama, as McCain pointed out. You know, he's a guy who got the surge completely wrong, and he himself called the Iraq War a disaster, and yet he voted to authorize the war. So the first line of attack was on the content. The second was on how honest is he, because he's been denying essentially the essence of a dozen statements and ideas that he said in the past, and now he says all of a sudden, oh no, you know, on Iran I changed my mind.
From the left and the right, we should point out, on the gay issue, on
right.
climate change, on other things.
All of a sudden, you know, he's seen the light on a dozen issues overnight as he's being challenged in Congress. But what happened today was shocking because it showed an astonishing lack of competence. I mean, he was wobbly, he was weak, bumbling, as we saw in the first clip. He didn't, when he corrects himself on containment and says, you know, well, I was wrong about supporting containment. Our policy is that we don't have a policy on containment. It showed he has no idea about a single most grave issue facing the United States, containment of Iran or not. And he was corrected by a Democrat. And then on the Israel issue, he was completely humiliated by Senator Graham when he was asked, you said the Jewish lobby, are you going to show that?
Yes, but